this one.
You want this Joseki?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you are white or black?
White.
White. I see. Then let me make a situation for that. If this should be happen, then
Yeah, because when he attacked, and
Yeah.
I don't care.
I see.
So I don't.
Okay. So this is also related with AI form. If black want to use some tactics in the beginning and they approach here, and the black is using like such tactics nowadays, and I don't know, no matter how, then AI always recommend to us to play Tenuki here. If black just approach and they ignore. Still, I think the easy one that I can recommend you is to complete in this area first. Yeah, because this kind of tactics will be like good for the really high level player, like nearly same as a professional level player. But I think until maybe Fox 7 dan, 8 dan, actually if you get approach here, serving in this area first, but he wanna attack, he wanna fight with you, right?
Yeah.
So no matter how, if you complete in this Joseki, and then you go to other place, that will be always not bad for you. Yeah. There has a like little bit more higher tactics why we approach here. Yeah. But I think that form is quite hard because you need to know this variation clearly. Yeah. So maybe on Sunday if you have a competition, still what I can recommend you is this thing first. Yeah. You can use, but it will be complicated. Yeah. Of course, if you can enjoy, you can use it. Yeah, and then this one. Yeah, this Joseki changed a lot. Firstly, if like invade here, you have to trade like this. Joseki is not bad for it. White benefit is approaching because if black doesn't do anything, there is invasion. Like this. Yeah, here and this one. So black need to do this exchange, then you will be happy. Or black need to respond here. Then anyway, you can handle the lower side. This is white benefit. And black's benefit is when he split here later. Like no matter how, then there is this RG later. You can try to save it again. Because after you save this, then white need to respond one more time. So white has to care about this. Answer here or this one. White need to prefer to answer. White has to answer. But this Joseki is actually not bad for white. And then there are many Joseki, but nowadays what we are using a lot is this one. Yeah. In the Joseki book, there is written many times like that. Even in our shop, also same. But if you, I can say actually this is always not bad for black because it makes this made black very thick. You cannot take this anymore. And then if white plays here, then or however, then black can move again. Then in case this is getting smaller, black can cut here. And the black can save this like this. Black has many options. Even there is no this one, we don't use this Joseki anymore. If white plays here, you can see that white seems much better because white is larger. But later black can use this move, and even black get one more step, and black can cut. Yeah. But if white made it smaller, it's not good. Yeah. So nowadays we don't use this Joseki actually. Yeah. So in this situation, here, here. Simple form, I can just tell you, simple form. This is easier one, but I'm not sure whether your opponent will play correctly.
No.
Yeah, sometimes they don't play correctly. Push, connect, here. Black take the base, and then you take the base. Simple form. Still not that simple, but mostly simple. Yeah. And if black wanna try to save this again, then of course you have to know how to take care with the right shape, and then attacking the two sides. Here and attack again. You have a base anyway. Yeah. Attack and go out and then jump. Soft tree. You will take this way naturally. So it's not good for black. You are getting something else. It doesn't mean you are killing this. Yeah. And complicated one is connecting. Connect, and also black has a few method. This one. For this Joseki, if you want to know how to handle when you are white, then you have to know how to handle the push and cut. This push and cut is powerful, but it doesn't mean every bit that you can handle this one. So before was like we were thinking this move made white need to connect and then black can answer, then somehow white is not good. Yeah. But now what we are thinking is I just need to handle my two stones like this because I'm ready to handle here. So when you move here, I will attack. Yeah. Because push and cut, I will save by Kusumi. And you are in danger, so I'm getting here. Yeah. When you are handling here, then I will attack here. I don't care about push and cut. Yeah. This is the upgraded form. Yeah, this was what AlphaGo recommends us. So still difficult, it's not easy actually. Black can play also. And this is the another one, just we take the base. Then this will be Sente. And then if we just answer, then black can take the two base. That's why make sure you have to attack one side again. You have to steal the base. Yeah, because you are getting in this area. Yeah, that means if black push and cut here, still it's not really ready. Their cutting will be will make black trouble. Yeah. So when you just go out, and then you can go back to take care here. Then it's fair because you are taking this too. Yeah. Here. Jump. Still very hard each other because why this is hard? This is not sure. This is not sure. That kind of Joseki is hard. Yeah, usually it's not clean Joseki each other. Yeah, we are fighting just like that means this kind of Joseki normally you have to continue for a long time. Yeah. So this is also Joseki.
Yeah, sometimes my opponent will use this.
Yeah, when they are black or white. If they are white, I see. Because when you approach, maybe they may ignore.
Yeah.
I see. Yes, that's right. That's the reason why you have to study too. Yeah. Okay. So this is simply the information how you can handle. I think there will be more, but simply I think this one most. And two information. One is here, one is this one. Yeah. I'll show you one more time. In case black Hana here, then white can just make here. Because Atari seems good, but when it saves here, you know it makes sense, and then even you make the tiger's mouth, the white is actually very clean. Yeah, and then you are looking for the two attacking again. Anyway, here then you cannot take here. This is perfectly okay, and this one then you need to punish here and get back here. So this is not Joseki actually. Yeah, black is not good. That means black also need to focus on the one area first, always. Like this. easy one, because after this they both has a perfect base and go to other place. Yeah. Let's say that just here you can consider, and you can even consider here. Yeah, let's say the easy one. Okay. Yeah, and then I don't know, just no matter how, after 4 corners, okay, I complete the corner. Starting from now, the method is not changing, just you can compare all the area, whether black plays first and then white plays first. It's good place, but you can compare with between here, which one is better now. Yeah, if you think this way is bigger, then just you can play what you want, like this. The basic form is okay. This time maybe it doesn't have to be here, because after this maybe here will not be really valuable. The third line is good enough. Yeah, so even I taught you just now this logic, that it may not be okay in another situation. Like this here and this one, then you can take care. When it goes about here, that means this is good move. Become, if you lose this move, then they don't have enough base, then save this. Yeah, and then that means here will be good for you too. You will answer here, then you can take care while jump here. It depends on you. Black also need to quickly tenuki actually, because they both are fine now. Even though this is good for, not bad for each other. Yeah, in case you just answer, then you can check your base, and if that's perfect, then you can go to another big place. Yeah, because here is very good for each other. For black, maybe black can even consider maybe this kind of move. Here is not. It depends on which is position this is. If this is too close, then there is no invasion. Yeah, then black can use such move. Yeah, like this. And even here is good for black.
So you thought black is bigger.
Black is bigger now. I think I made this a bit slow, but until now I used quite similar level. So if you search with AI, it will be not so much different. Yeah, maybe maximum, maybe 1 point. That means I made it like nearly even game. Yeah, I'm probably sure in the actual game, even in the beginning, they will already make some mistake, like such move, or some they will play which is not that necessary, like that can be happen. One of example. Yeah, if you really want to play, then here is of course better place, and here already better for white. Yeah. And there will be some mistake, I'm sure. Yeah, usually most of it in the beginning, then they may have some wasting step in the beginning. Yeah, so after 4 corners, they usually it's timing to start to have like invasion. Yeah, and while reduce. So you have to just check it. Actually, that part, even I give you patterns, then because all the game is different, then you can just choose what you like. Yeah. So I gave you information, but you have to totally forget. Maybe you may forget in the actual game, and just you play however you want to play. Yeah. If you care about the memorizing, we cannot play well. Yeah. You saw that, but you may forget. But it's very natural. Just you can create it in the actual game. Yeah. That's how we are studying the Joseki. Yeah. Because people forget is very natural. Or maybe many of the players, they care so much, they forgot, and then they spend for a long time. That's the problem. Not about the remember or not. Recognize, no need. Yeah. Just forget, then just you creative by yourself. I just give information, but you get it and forget. Because if you repeat many times, you will remember naturally. Yeah. Even it doesn't mean in the actual game I remember all the that I studied. I forget I created again. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, fighting. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.